Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. So today I'm going to touch on Uniswap and as well as Safe Protocol. Safe Protocol is already dead, unfortunately, in the DeFi space. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. For my Patreon member, I post a whole bunch of video about which gold and silver coin has high resale value, as well as gold and silver. And of course, if you miss the Tezos or Chainlink, there's another token just like Chainlink or Tezo in terms of the potential. If you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. Also, if you haven't have open an account in Gemini, you can check it out, and you can click the link below. Both of us will receive $10 worth of Bitcoin. And of course, ledger is important. It's important that you keep your token away from your exchange, not your token, not your key, not your token. So never leave any token on the exchange. Always transfer to the ledger or some other wallet. Preferably, I like hardware wallet. If you're interested, you can click the link below. Right now it's 20% off until Monday, so don't miss the opportunity to save and protect your cryptocurrency. Let's talk about Uniswap. So basically 165 million Bitcoin already moved to Ethereum after the Uniswap token launch. And this is basically because of the yield farming in the Uniswap protocol. So in the yield farming, they have a web version of the Bitcoin that is running, that is on the yield farming that they can package in the yield farming. So basically, over 115,000, over 15,000 web BTC was minted since September 17 because of the Uni token yield farming incentives on the Uniswap. So and also the returns for the Bitcoin base pool are higher than the Ethereum and Chainlink. So that's why people are jumping on the Bitcoin base pool instead of the Ethereum or Chainlink on the DeFi platform like Yuan Finance. So Curve also add a new HBTC pool alongside with the BTC base pool backed by RAM BTC, REP BTC, and SBTC. And the REP Bitcoin added 15,000 token just 24 hours after Uni token launch. So this is basically big in terms of Bitcoin lock in DeFi space is 1.2 billion. And of course, a higher return on the Bitcoin specific pool. So that's why people are jumping on those pool. And the Web Bitcoin is basically a tokenized BTC issues on the Ethereum. And in terms of the, because of the yield farming, the DeFi, so there's explosion growth of the pool. In terms of the lock value, right now it's like 800 million. I think in August it's only 500 million. Right now it's already 800 million. That is exponential growth. And this thing, I mean, this is started back in January 2019. I mean, at the time, still in a bear market, but obviously we are in back to the bull market. So Uniswap, of course, is the leading decentralized exchange in the Ethereum space, right? And centralized exchanges like Coinbase, of course, Coinbase is kind of behind, right? So that's why, I mean, I'm not surprised they list Uniswap in Coinbase like in so fast. You know, a lot of times they are listing coin, they are thinking, oh, maybe we'll list it, we'll not list it, right? But when you, in terms of Uniswap, I mean, they just list it right away. In terms of trading volume, Uniswap has a much higher volume than Coinbase. And in terms of the trading fees, it's outrageously expensive, right? You have, in terms of the Ethereum, the gas price right now, 170 Gwei is not too bad. Yesterday's 99. The day on the Uniswap, do you know how much it is? I think it's 800 Gwei. You're talking about you have to pay like almost $100, at least $100 to do just one transaction. This is insane. So Uniswap, in terms of volume, is higher. In terms of the transaction fee, is much higher than Coinbase, by the way. Anyway, the WebBTC Ethereum pool on the Uniswap, of course, is also one of the 4 pool in the Uniswap. So in terms of the WebBTC Ethereum pool, is the largest pool on the Uniswap. Total liquidity 391 million, staggering 900% increase since September 17. And in terms of the WBTC Ethereum pool, 24-hour volume is 40 million. And but for the other pool is not much. Look at the volume, not much for the other one. This one is the highest, like highest volume. So stick with the highest volume, to be honest with you. And the other pool also qualify for yield farming in Uni, including DAI Ethereum, USDT Tether Ethereum, USDC Ethereum. The pool also expand by 880% in DAI, 136% in Tether, 142% in the USDC Ethereum pool as well. And BTC lock-in smart contract is 1.25 billion as well. And of course, the tokenized Bitcoin is the wrap BTC is a ERC20 token, but it's backed by the actual BTC locked in a specific smart contract. So tokenized BTC, of course, is compatible to DeFi platform built on Ethereum. And of course, the RAM BTC on Curve account for 18% of the total deposit value. And the YYuan, the YV Finance Fort annual return for the Curve SBTC, the liquidity pool comprised of RAM BTC, REP BTC, SBTC around 30%. So so this is also Curve. They also add a new HBTC pool to a decentralized exchange platform. The pool has only added 1,300 worth of HBTC in just 1 week of the launch. So there's a lot of people jumping on those pools to a yield farm to get a higher gains on their token. Because right now, if you're sitting on your token in your wallet, you don't get any return, right? So that people are jumping on those pools. But there's of course risk involved as well if you're jumping on those pools. But anyway, risk versus benefits, you know. And the next talk we are going to talk about the Safe protocol. So we talked about the Safe protocol in my previous video. Basically, this protocol is already dead because the lead investor already cashed out and X out of the protocol. Right now, it's basically a dead protocol. So in order to save this, they are going to migrate to the Cover protocol. And Safe protocol is basically dead because and then Insurance Chef along with the team of core developer, and they are going to migrate Safe protocol to the new Cover protocol. So the Cover protocol will enable buying and selling insurance coverage along with providing liquidity mining incentives. And just like SushiSwap, the leading players in the DeFi sector have taken over the insurance protocols as Safe. Basically, is a pump and dump scheme, right? SushiSwap, the Sushi Chef. Basically, he want to cash out and get the money, and this is this is the same thing in Safe protocol, same thing. So basically, a pump and dump scheme, and in order to save this project, and you have an Insurance Chef, right? Insurance Chef is basically he's a final year college dropout, and he received a grant 25,000 and 5 Ethereum from Andrew. Andrew is the founder and creator of YYuan, the YV Finance, for building the Cover protocol. So they're going to migrate all this Safe protocol to the Cover protocol. And in terms of the Cover protocol, they're going to do something called shield farming. Shield farming basically is a new shield farming protocol. The creator have to hold the Cover protocol to avoid a dump of unrelated farm asset, just like Safe. Because if you dump the Safe protocol, you basically affect the Nexus Mutual, right? This is like a cascade. And so the Cover protocol is going to have a beta testing in November 1st. So we'll see how it goes because like right now there's so many pump and dump scheme in the DeFi space, and a lot of people they try to make quick money, unfortunately. But then there's a lot of other people, they want to save the protocol because this is not good for the DeFi space in the long run if you have just pump and dump scheme, just like this is earlier ICO, right? Remember back in 2017, you have a lot of people, you have ICO, you have tons and tons of different shitty projects, and then they raise I don't know how many millions, and after they get the money, they never build the protocol, they just take the money. And I think this is very similar back in 2017. I guess history repeats itself, right? Humans never learn from their mistakes, but we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. And just to remind everybody, the Flamingo protocol, this is a DeFi decentralized finance project on the Neo platform. It's going to launch on September 21st. So let me know, are you going to participate in this? And also let me know what you think about the Uniswap. Do you think it's going to pump all the way to $100? There's a lot of people talking about $100 of Uniswap. And the thing is, there's too much hype on certain thing. Sometimes, yes, if you will make money if you're early on, but you probably don't make money if you are late in the game. But anyway, let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, LBRY.TV, as well as Patreon. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risks. Please use your due diligence. This video is only for informational and entertainment purposes, not a financial advice. You should consult with your financial advisor. Peace out.